Good morning, everyone. Today I am presenting my business intelligence assignment based on the Amazon. In this project, I created a complete dataset in Excel and developed interactive dashboards using Tableau. This project mainly focuses on employee analysis, company performance, revenue trends, and delivery performance, also customer ratings. I created a custom dataset containing more than 200 records and multiple attributes such as employee ID, department, city, salary, revenue, orders handled, delivery time, and customer ratings. The dataset was imported into Tableau for visualization and the dashboard creation. Next, I am explaining about the dashboard. So, this is the Amazon Employee Analysis Dashboard. So, the first chart shows employees by department. From this visualization, we can understand that the warehouse and the sales department have the highest employee count. Next, the second chart represents salary distribution. This histogram helps analyze how employee salaries are distributed across different salary ranges. So, the next chart shows employee ratings by city. Here we can compare customer ratings across different cities such as Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. Another chart displays delivery time versus partner rating. This helps identify how delivery perform impacts customer satisfaction. So, overall, this dashboard provides insights into employee performance and operational efficiency. Next, I'll be explaining about the company dashboard. So, this is the Amazon company performance dashboard. The revenue by city map visualize revenue generation across different cities using the color encoding and labels. The orders by department chart helps analyze which departments handle the maximum number of the orders. The revenue trend graph shows how revenue changes over the time. The average rating chart compare customer satisfaction across the departments. The speed versus orders chart helps to analyze the delivery speed performance. I also added the interactive filters such as city and department filters, which affect all the charts across the dashboard. In this project, I created multiple calculated fields including profit calculation, revenue per order, delivery status, and performance category. I also combined the dashboards into the Tableau Story to present the meaningful business insights and improve storytelling. To conclude, this project helped me to understand data visualization, dashboard design, business analysis, and the interactive reporting using the Tableau. This dashboard can help companies monitor performance, analyze employee productivity, and make business better decisions. Thank you.